Hi. So, when was you first introduced to soil, and what was your first thoughts when you heard about soil?
Yeah, I soil was introduced to me at the very inception stage by Srikant, who is a close friend of mine. So my gut feeling was when Srikant is leading it, it definitely will be a success, and it will be an out of world like new model. Uh, yeah, I think it's so far the journey has been quite good. I think it will go to new heights. Yes.
So, in this long journey, what was your best moments with soil?
The best moments, I believe, they're trying to groom kids from very young. I think that's the need of the hour, especially for a country like us, where we have such a large population, and traditionally we have been just in a service model. But I think for the country to grow and economy to increase, we have to be more uh, product developers. Like I mean to say, innovate. We have to be a creator rather than a consumer. So I think this platform will help mature many kids who can create something new, and overall it will be a very good for the personally for the kids as well as for the nation. So I think it's a great thing.
Thank you so much.